What's up, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my small spaceship, and we are in the mix of a neighborhood-wide garage sale, and we're looking around for things to buy and resell that typically are used, and we can make some money on those things. So that's what the video is about, and I see our first garage sale right now. It's coming up. Here we go. And that's the garage sale right there. I see some vintage clothes. Every house in this neighborhood is super tiny, by the way. But yeah, you know, found some cool stuff here. Looks like some plants. Got chairs. Oh, there's a bike back there, a little giant road bike. Let's see if we can find something here. All right, so I did get the bike, and I got it for 30 bucks, and I think it'll sell for like 150, 200. It's a pretty cool bike. Good first find of the morning. Little giant Perigi bike right here. Steel frame, Japanese, I think. But yeah, nice bike. 30 bucks with a rack in the back. Pretty cool. So that's actually a vintage road bike, which is pretty cool. But I also popped on something else. And it's this realistic ST, I think it's an STA 2280 vintage receiver. You know, for 10 bucks, in a garage sale sense, we need an amplifier to get this thing running and 2 speakers. So, you know, I'm gonna take a gamble on it. For 10 bucks, I think this thing would resell in town for about 100. On eBay, this is about $200. So that's pretty cool. It's a vintage realistic receiver, as you can see. Pretty neat. Let's go find another garage sale. Okay, there's another garage sale right here, and I'm gonna have a look through it, but it doesn't look like much stuff right now. Didn't find anything at that garage sale, but there's another one right here, sorta. You can kind of see it. I see a kayak, a bunch of other random stuff. So I've seen about 4 more garage sales in that neighborhood, and I had to, you know, it was just not that great. So I'm outside of a better neighborhood, it looks like, but this is not neighborhood-wide garage sales. It's just a garage sale. So we'll see what we can find here. Who knows? Okay, I didn't find anything at that one. Man, I thought that one was going to be a good one, but we are close to the farmer's market, and I got to get some eggs, and I think there are like a couple more garage sales after that, so still going to try hard. Okay, we're downtown at the farmer's market. I usually just make one pit stop here to get some really good eggs. Okay, next up is this monster garage sale sitting right here. There's a lot of stuff here. Could find something good. I'm getting a good feeling about this one. Okay, so from that garage sale, I actually bought 2 pickleball paddles, which are actually pretty good paddles. They could probably resell for north of 50 each. Maybe not this one, but definitely this one right here, the Supernova. So gonna give this a whirl on the court, see if it's any good. Yeah, we have pickleball paddles right here. And this is a $3 game, Dragon Quest VII, and this should sell for 60 to 80 used on the bay right there. So that's nice, and it's all in there. It's a pretty cool game. A lot of 3DS games aren't worth a whole lot, but like this one's worth a pretty decent amount of money. I know, much more tan Bonafide Hustler. We're a couple weeks down the road. This is, you know, I edit videos and I just keep them in logs on my computer. But let's get some updates on what has sold from that video. The red bike in the very beginning, the giant Perigi, that one sold for 140. I know I said 150. I sold it for 140 locally. The receiver, the realistic receiver, that sold between 80 and 100 bucks. I can't remember. That was cash. That was in town as well. The game made it to a vlog, the last vlog. That $3 game sold for 40. Yeah, I'm trying to think what else I found in this vlog. But anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a short garage sale run, but quite honestly, I spent about 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours out there, and I kind of whittled it down to whatever this 4-minute video is. So if you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button. I know it's a short one, but I'm gonna post it anyway. Put a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.